Well, it's 11:13. I'm here in bed in Florida, and the rain that they've been talking about for 2 days has finally arrived. It's supposed to get really windy and thunderstorms sometime early in the morning. I don't know. I think it's at like 5 or 6, so we shall see. Can you hear the rain? Do you hear the rain? I don't know what time it is. I think it's 11:30. My watch won't tell me. Hang on. Oh, pretty good. 11:37. You hear it? It was worse a second ago. Just so loud. It's on my RV roof. Louder than a tin roof, let me tell you. It's supposed to get really bad tomorrow. The wind. I do like the sound of the rain, though. It's rather soothing. A lot of people like that sound, though, don't they? You hear the rain? It's 11:55. Here comes the rain again. I just got comfy. Started settling in. And then it started. This may be a long night. Well, I'll talk to you again later if it gets worse. I don't know what round this one is. Well, the storm didn't get much worse than what I showed you earlier from last night. If it did get worse, I didn't wake up. It wasn't bad enough to wake me up. And this morning, of course, it's really just drizzling and it's really quite calm. So the weatherman got everybody, all excited and upset again about this horrible storm that we were supposed to get that really didn't develop into anything. At least inland it didn't. I'm not sure what happened on the coast. But right now, you can see it's not even hardly windy. This is a picture right out of my bedroom window. There's not even a branch moving out there. That's how calm it is. And you can see my mat out there. It's not raining at all now. I was hoping to show you a little more excitement. Have a great Sunday.